Yay, what's your name?
Ellie.
And how about you?
We're gonna open our little sister's present. It's from Tita Ayi. The Maurice. Open it.
Let Becca open too.
Open. Open with us. Whoa. Wow. Wow. This is a musical pound and tap band. Open it, bro.
Can you do it,
I'm
Alex?
holding all of the trash.
Okay.
Oh
What?
my gosh. Baka excited.
Oh.
Let's remove this. And wow! It's your brush. Hey, the ball. This is a xylophone, the hammer, the balls, and the drumstick. Wow. Thank you. No, Becca, it's not like that. It's for that. Like this. Okay. Let's first put all of that stuff.
Okay. Okay. Do the hammering, Elle. Teach Becca.
Becca, put it in.
Whoa, Becca's doing it right.
Like that.
Okay.
Now put them back. Okay, now we put out your pages, mommy. This is how you play it, Becca. Hindi pull. Hindi pull.
Oh.
Wow.
Baka maipit naman yung hands ni Becky.
Okay, your turn. Oh, sorry. Here, that's it. That's. Becca likes it so much, so I give it a 9.5 out of 10. Hi guys, this is for today's video. Hope you like and subscribe so we can make more videos like this one. Bye!